The 2027 Nokia 5G smartphone is a bold comeback statement from Nokia, blending its legendary durability with cutting-edge innovation. In a market dominated by flashy designs and aggressive marketing, Nokia quietly delivers a device that focuses on what truly matters: performance, reliability, and long-term value. Starting with the design, the 2027 Nokia 5G features a sleek yet sturdy build that instantly reminds you of Nokia's heritage. The body is crafted with a premium aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass protection, making it both stylish and tough. It feels solid in hand, offering a perfect balance between elegance and durability. The matte finish on the back resists fingerprints, giving it a clean look even after extended use. Moving to the display, Nokia has equipped this device with a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. The colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and the brightness levels are impressive even under direct sunlight. Whether you're streaming videos, gaming, or just scrolling through social media, the viewing experience is smooth and immersive. Under the hood, the 2027 Nokia 5G is powered by a next-generation processor paired with up to 12 GB RAM. This combination ensures lightning-fast performance with zero lag. Apps open instantly, multitasking is seamless, and even heavy games run effortlessly. Nokia has clearly optimized the software well, sticking close to a clean Android experience, which means no unnecessary bloatware and faster updates. The camera setup is another highlight. The phone features a triple lens system with a high-resolution main sensor that captures incredibly detailed photos. Daylight shots are sharp and vibrant, while low-light photography has improved significantly thanks to advanced AI processing. The front camera is perfect for selfies and video calls, delivering natural skin tones and crisp clarity. Battery life is where Nokia truly shines. With a massive battery capacity, this phone easily lasts a full day on heavy usage and even stretches into the second day with moderate use. Fast charging support ensures you're never out of power for long, making it ideal for users who are always on the go. Of course, as the name suggests, 5G connectivity is a key feature. The device offers blazing fast internet speeds, low latency, and a future-proof experience. Whether you're streaming in high definition or downloading large files, everything feels instant. In conclusion, the 2027 Nokia 5G smartphone is a perfect mix of classic Nokia reliability and modern flagship features. It may not try to be the flashiest device out there, but it delivers where it truly counts. If you're looking for a smartphone that is powerful, durable, and dependable, this Nokia device is definitely worth considering.